This is a replacement charging cord for Bose Bluetooth speakers and earphones. Here's a cable. It comes with a wall charger. This is the USB-A side. It connects to the wall charger. And this is the micro USB side, connected to your speaker's charging port. It works with both SoundLink and QuietComfort series speakers. The cable is 5 feet long, making charging more convenient. It also feels solid and very well made. Here is a Bose SoundLink speaker. We'll connect the replacement charging cable here. It connects easily, and the connection feels secure. Now let's connect the USB-A side to the charger. There you go. Overall, this compact replacement charging cord is well designed, works great, and this is highly recommended.